Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. You still have a couple days left to put in for the Ulta gift card giveaway. I am giving away 5 $25 gift cards to Ulta, and I draw the names and post the video Sunday. I'll draw the names at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard. Are we on daylight savings or standard time? Whichever. 5 o'clock Eastern time. I'm going to draw the names and I'll get a hold of everybody and post a video that night. So you still have time to do that. Sharing things that I love is part of the reason why I started the channel. I wanted to share products that I love or new products that are just coming out that people are excited about. And this time I'm sharing the experience. Another reason why I started the channel is because I have Parkinson's syndrome. So you're going to notice the tremors. It's genetic early onset Parkinson's. And, you know, I wanted to start this community because makeup is for everybody. It is for every skin tone, every gender, every income level, every ability, and every disability. And I wanted to create a place where we could just have a fun, positive environment to talk about all things makeup. So my name's Chris and I'm sharing my shame today. Well, some of the shame is actually my sister's shame because she had me pick up some stuff for her. But this is what I got during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. Got some really great deals. You know, I love beauty on a budget. That is right up my alley. So I'm going to start with my sister's shame. I got her the Becca Backlight priming filter. She loves this. She swears by this. So if you guys have tried it, let me know. I'm going to try it when she's here. I'll leave it unopened until after she's here. But I'm going to try it when she's visiting. I'll let you guys know what I think. I'm probably going to end up getting some if I really, really like it. But we got this, and that was part of the 21 Days of Beauty. Another item is the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot. She and I both already have Painterly, and so she wanted some soft ochre. So I picked that up. That was part of the sale. It was half off. So I used the paint pot as a primer. It works really well. So here's what they look like, little pots. And the last thing I got for her, this was part of the 21 Days of Beauty. It was part of the ones that were like on special for the whole 21 days, was the Lipstick Queen, Nothing But the Nudes. And she picked out Nothing But the Truth. So let's take a look at this lippy from Lipstick Queen. Oh, nice component. Oh, that's a very pretty color. That's very pretty. Okay. Very nice color. I could see that working well on a lot of skin tones. I'd swatch it for you, but it's hers, so you know what? I'll swatch it later. Okay, things that I got myself. My shame. Okay, I'm going to start with what was included in the 21 Days of Beauty, the sale products, and then I'll go into the other products that I purchased. I got 2 backups of the Brow Wiz. I love this, ABH Brow Wiz, and I'm taupe. That is my color, taupe. But these are great. I mean, they're really skinny. They wear all day. They're really easy. They're trimmer friendly. So they're easy to work with. I can't, you know, work with a lot of difficult, like, oh my gosh, I got to get this so precise. You know, otherwise it's going to dry down and it's going to be like that forever. I would look like a clown. Yeah, that would be unintentionally hilarious. I got the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which I've used before and I love, so I got myself another one, and I'm actually using it right now. I love a good mascara that gives me thick lashes because I can't use strip lashes anymore. I can't use falsies anymore. That, talk about being unintentionally hilarious. Yeah, that would be me trying to put on fake eyelashes. Yeah, no falsies for me. Some I don't use a lot is the lip paint, the liquid lip, but I got a Tardist lip paint. You know, some days I can use it really well, and this is a really pretty neutral color right there. So pretty. Let me see what color this is. What color did I get? I got a color that I can't see. Delilah. Looks like Delilah or Delish. I think it's Delilah. It's a really pretty pink. And I get another Stila eyeliner. You guys know I love Stila eyeliners, liquid liners. I do have the Better Than Sex liquid liner, and I really like that. But these were on sale. I know that the Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid liner works really well for me and the tremors. So I got brown. And I mean, I love the brushes on them, and they really do stay all day. I mean, that's not just the name. They're really, really good. I did not need these. I needed these like a hole in the head, but I got 2 more Urban Decay singles. More eyeshadow. So I got X, which is this really pretty pink, and I'm actually wearing it on my lid right now. It's a pinky peach, just really pretty shimmery color there. And then I also got Blunt, which is a light gold. So I just went with a couple lighter colors this time. There we go. Oh, so pretty. All right, my big ones, the ones I was most excited about coming up. I'm actually going to make their own video, actually, with this. Oh my gosh, trying to get the Tarteist lip paint off. Wow. Guys, that is holding on for dear life. Okay, we can officially say that is long wearing. Wow, that is amazing. I'm going to make their own video. But I got Lime Crime Venus and Lime Crime Venus 3. I almost got 2. It was in my cart and I put it back because those colors aren't really ones that I wear often. But here is number 1. So beautiful. I still have the plastic in it. Haven't even swatched them yet. Look at those. Got them half price. Those are so beautiful. And then here is 3. This reminds me a lot of the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look how beautiful. Got these for 19 bucks. So excited. I'm going to do their own video. Lime Crime deserves its own video. I love Lime Crime eyeshadows. If you guys haven't tried them, I'm telling you, give them a shot. They are awesome. So I got some other things that weren't part of the 21 Days of Beauty, but that I needed, and well, some I needed, but some things I needed. Like, I use this. This is the Ulta Beauty SPF 50 Broad Spectrum Sunscreen Rose Water Setting Spray. I love this because it doesn't disturb your makeup. Let me get it going here. So you can reapply your sunscreen during the day. Let's say you're out at a fair, you know, in the summer everybody has their state fairs and stuff, or, you know, Busch Gardens or whatever. You need to keep reapplying your sunscreen, especially if you sweat. So it smells good, it doesn't disturb your makeup, and you get SPF 50, and it's only $9.99. And this is a decent sized bottle at 100 mLs, 3.4 fluid ounces. So picked that up. I picked up Vichy cleansing cloths here. Vichy is really big in the Netherlands where my sister lives, and so I've used Vichy products before, but I wanted to try their cleansing cloths because I do the double cleansing. You know, most of the time I'll use the cleansing oil, the Tatcha cleansing oil, but, you know, sometimes I just want to be a little quicker than that, and so I use the cleansing cloths. Speaking of cleansing, this is actually for my mother. It's the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. And this is dermatologist recommended. CeraVe is a really good cleanser. So my mom wanted to try that, and so we got the trial size. And then, of course, I already did a video on this. If you haven't seen it, the Bronze Goals 35G from Morphe. Picked this up along the way. It's got its own video if you guys want to take a look at that. But here are the colors in there. I picked this up along the way because it had just come out. And, of course, you know, it was sold out at every store I went to, so I went online and ordered that when I ordered some of the 21 Days of Beauty products. So that's it. I guess it's not as bad as I thought it was. still have a couple days to put in for that giveaway, guys. I want to share that shopping experience. We're celebrating Sarah being here and us doing our Shopapalooza. So I wanted to share that experience with you guys. Make sure you go track down that video. It's less than 3 minutes long. It's giveaway video, and it will tell you how to enter that giveaway. And I'll be drawing on Sunday. All right, guys, that's it. I will talk to you down in the comments section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.